going to be converting from atoms to moles. Whenever you're doing conversions from atoms to moles, you should keep in mind that we're going to use Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms is equal to 1 mole. And that could be atoms, molecules, particles, ions. So let's try an example. We're asked to convert 5.67 times 10 to the 32nd atoms of sodium into moles. So if we have atoms and moles, we want to say that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms again. And that's going to be our conversion factor. We're going to start with our given information, which is the 5.67 times 10 to the 32nd atoms. And we need atoms to cancel out. So we have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms in the denominator and 1 mole in the numerator. So atoms cancels. When I divide this out, I end up getting 9.42 times 10 to the 8th moles of sodium. If you have trouble putting this into your calculator to get the proper answer in scientific notation or using scientific notation in your calculator, please do let me know so that I can help you figure out your calculator.